Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Hope everybody's having a good week and staying healthy. And today I want to discuss you one of my latest Excel tools on how to calculate the straight line distance, also known as the crow flies miles in Excel. So first, let me tell you a bit about myself. As a software developer, I mainly specialize in logistics tools, mostly Excel-based, and also specialize in connecting multiple data points and bringing the power of Google Maps API directly into your Excel spreadsheet. Did I mention this is built in Excel, right? Okay, jokes aside, my goals are twofold. First, to bring the easiest to use tool of its kind in Excel. A lot of the tools need software to install, complex code to run and modify. My tool is very simple. It is Excel based and using it is as easy as copying and pasting. I promise you this will be the easiest to use tool of calculating your distances in your Excel spreadsheet. And second, my goal is to create the most versatile and flexible tool of its kind. See, because the tool uses Google Maps API to calculate the distance, it makes the input addresses extremely flexible. So you might find tools that work only for zip codes or geocodes, and they're very strict on what type of data and what type of addresses you can use. With my tools, as you can see, you can type any addresses that you might have. You can use full addresses, partial addresses, like in this case, for example, or you can use cities or zip codes or postal codes if you're outside of US. And of course, you can mix and match. Obviously, the more accurate the data, the more accurate your results will be. You'll get more accurate results by entering a full address and then by entering a city or a zip code. But bear in mind that all these types of data, all these type of addresses are fair game, and you can use them based on your needs. So let me show you how it works. Once you download the tool, the download link for the tool is in the description, and you place your Google Maps API key, and I have a separate video on how to get that. Is extremely easy. Then all you got to do is open the tool and enter the data, or you can paste your to and from addresses as you do in Excel. Again, as I mentioned a bit earlier, the tool is extremely flexible with the type of data that you can enter, whether it is full addresses, zip codes, or cities. The other thing I want to mention is that you can use addresses from all over the world. There is no geographical limitations to the type of addresses and characters that you can enter. Once you enter the data, whether it is 100 or 10,000, all you got to do is click on Calculate button, and you can see that the tool will do the rest. It will use a combination of the Google Maps API functionality, where it will look up and will pinpoint the address on the map, and along with my proprietary code to calculate and give you and display that straight line distance, or the crow flies mile, or some people call it airplane miles, between those 2 points. Again, all this happens in the background, right? You don't have to worry about that, how all that works. All you got to do is paste your data, click calculate, and the tool will do the rest. And that's it. The results will display in the file for your usage. Hopefully this tool will save you some time and make you a little bit more efficient in your tasks today. If there is anything else that I can help you with, or any other tools that you cannot find on my website that can make your life just a bit easier, please reach out. Both my email and my phone number are on the website. Till next time.